Hi, I'm Tim here from Discover English with another 1-minute pronunciation tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to pronounce words that are both nouns and verbs. For example, progress and progress. First, you need to make sure that you know whether the word is a noun or a verb. For example, we are making good progress. Once we pass this, we can progress to the next level. This pen is an object. Or, I object to doing homework. Can you figure out the rule? Listen carefully to the stress in the word. Keep a record of all the work you do. We can record your work as you do it. In the noun form, you stress the first part of the word, whereas in the verb form, you stress the second part of the verb. We can't permit you to camp here, or we don't have a permit to camp here. They had to present the child with a present. There was an increase in the number of people shopping on the long weekend, or they had to increase the number of parking spaces at the shopping centre. I said, I'd like a refund, please, and they said that they would refund me 50% of the value. I hope this update on pronunciation has upgraded your English.